How to record screen with OBS. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to record screen with OBS. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and download and install OBS. OBS is available for Windows and Mac computers and Linux too. These instructions were made with Mac users in mind, but the process is same for Windows users too. So, upon first launch of OBS, you will need to allow OBS access to screen recording with the privacy and security settings on your Mac. When first launching OBS, the Review App Permissions window will appear and you will need to click the box Open Screen Recording Preferences. The screen recording preference window will appear and you will need to flip the switch next to OBS. This will allow OBS to record your screen. OBS will need to restart before the change for the screen recording is allowed. Simply close OBS and relaunch the program. OBS will need to restart before the change for the screen recording is allowed. Simply choose OBS and relaunch the program. Next, the auto configuration wizard will appear and ask if you want to optimize OBS for live streaming or recording. Change the settings to optimize just for recording. I will not be streaming and tap on Next. The next screen in Auto Configuration Wizard will set the base resolution. Keep the default setting of Use Current and FPS, either 60 or 30, but prefer 60 when possible. No changes are needed for this window, just click on Next to complete the OBS setup. Now, the final window in the Auto Configuration Wizard is informational. It simply lists the ideal settings for OBS to use based on your current computer. Click Apply Settings to complete this setup. Now that OBS is installed and configured, you need to modify a few of the default settings. After launching OBS, click on OBS Studio and then Preferences. Click on Output then. Then under Recording Format, change the setting to MPEG.4, which is also known as .mp4. While still in the output settings, you can change the quality or file size of the recorded video. If you need the file to be smaller file, you can choose high quality, medium file size. Otherwise, choose indistinguishable quality, large file size for the best looking video. All of the default settings are good. Click OK when finished. So, this is how you can record screen with OBS. If you found that video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.